I've only known about Multifix about 3 or 4 years, I'd say. We have a look back, really. I think the thing that surprised me about Multifix the most is the customer service we've received from when we've placed orders, been more than helpful and welcoming in trying to make sure that we get our products and how we want it. They're more than happy to sort of cater for our needs more promptly than, you know, any other supplier. We've managed to have everything on our delivery from Multifix on time and when we want it and what we've asked for. Bearing in mind that fixings spec is very specific to our clients' needs.